everyone, Cindy A. Lewis here with another quick and easy craft. You can do this bookmark. It has 3 pockets and you can slide in. You can see there's a little see-through window there for your junk journals, for your cards, for a little book if you're going to give it away. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me today. I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy. So select the paper of your choice. I chose to make this a 5" by 7.5 inches. So 5 by 7.5. Then what we're going to do, I'm going to move that out of the way, is we're going to score at 2.5 because we're going to fold it in half right here. So always do it a couple times. Then turn it sideways to where you have the long side facing you, and whichever is going to be the top. So this is going to be my right side that I'm going to punch the holes in because that's the way the wording is going. So I am going to score at 2.5 inches only to the center. I'm not going to score all the way, just to the center. So I'm going to score at 2.5 and then at 5. Before you fold it, go ahead and take your scissors and cut along these score lines that you scored at 2.5 and 5. All right, so now these are going to be my doors. I'm going to make sure I have a good fold. Use your bone folder, whatever. Now, before I do anything else, I'm going to take my 1.5 inch hole punch. That's what I'm going to use. Or I could use my scalloped edge. How about I use that this time? So you're gonna turn it over, and this is how I place it, and I pull it all the way to the edge and make sure I'm centered and just punch that hole out. And you can see my window is now gonna be a scalloped edge. Then I've scored and cut at 2.5 and at 5. Okay, so I have 3 little doors. Now you can glue these inside if you want to, so you have something else. What I did with this one, I'll just show you here, you can see. But I think I'll leave these out for now, just so that you can see a little bit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start at the top. So we're gonna open it up. I'm gonna start at the top and we're gonna create our little pocket. Now you can use washi or glue if you want to, but I think the washi adds to the look of it. So since this is vintage looking, I'm going to use this washi and just go right here. And then you can cut or tear it. I'll just cut it just to be a clean cut so you can see. All right, so that's door number 1. Now we're going to do door number 2. Same thing, all the way to the edge. Pull it down and cut, just snip that off. Now for door number 3, we're gonna do it at the bottom here, but we're gonna go over the edge and then wrap it back underneath. So we've got that. We're gonna cut this here, flip it over, and then do this here. Now the next thing that I'm gonna do, now you could leave this as a tuck spot instead of a full pocket if you wanted to, like this, or I took my washi and went along this whole edge. So that's what I'm going to show you now. I'm just going to take this washi and I'm going to put it from the top to the bottom. Careful not to cover up my windows, my circle windows. And I'm going to trim this here, flip it over, and then just, so you don't even have to use any glue there. And then now you have your pockets. I'm going to show you real quick. You can slide anything in these pockets you want to, and make your own tags or pictures or words or however you want to do that. You can also take some of this fun lace. I love this cloth lace from Dollar Tree. It's one of my favorites, and if you follow my channel at all, you've heard me talk about it. So I'm going to put lace on this side to put your little tags or whatever in, your stickers, whatever you want to include. This is a really fun, easy bookmark to make, and if you want to make it into something else, you definitely can. And this one, I put lace at the top of each one. I didn't put lace down the side. This one, put lace down the side. And you can see how you can just put your little tags or whatever you want in there. And it has a really fun see-through hole. So I hope you enjoyed this craft. I didn't do a lot of decorating, but I did want to show you how it is put together. So please let me know below if you would like more quick and easy crafts. And thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.